Hello guys, MrCodproguy here today, doing a review on the howling wolfpack bottle rockets. Okay, alright, let's get started. First thing, capacity. About as much as a little hydro cracker, I would say. Nice little boom in it, alright? Enough power to go up to make it go pretty high, but not high enough for me. Okay. I like them though. They're really fun to use. Just have wars with them, whatever the hell you want to do. And the report in them is pretty nice. The length of them, not good. They last like a second after they go. Right when they go, it's like, it's like a freaking Saturn battery in one. That's what these are. Have you guys ever known that? Howling Wolfpack bottle rockets are just Saturn batteries. Here, I'll show you. Here I have a bottle rocket. Okay. Now I take the bottle rocket. Okay. Right here I have a bottle rocket. Okay. Right here I have a bottle rocket. So I take the stick off of it, and I have the top of this right here with the paper on and everything. Take the paper off. That's what's in the Saturn battery. Okay. Look. See the top of that? What's that? It's the tops that you see in Saturn batteries, isn't it? Take one of those things out, those Saturn batteries, and compare it to this. Exact same thing. Now these things, I would say, would I recommend them? Yes. I would have to say yes because they're really fun to use, but they're short. It's the only problem. And the fuse on it. The fuse on these things are so short. See, look. Can you see? You see that little stem right there? Look, and then you can pull it out. Wait, put this. Alright, well there you go guys. Here's your video of the howling wolfpack bottle rockets. See you guys, subscribe.